Vitamin B7. Also known as biotin, vitamin B7 helps our bodies use essential fats to enhance healthy skin, hair and nerves. Am I deficient in vitamin B7? If you've been suffering from a poor appetite or nausea, it's possible that you are lacking in B7, but such serious symptoms should always be addressed by a doctor first. B7 deficiency can leave you with sore muscles, dry skin, dermatitis, dry hair and premature greying hair too. You can find vitamin B7 in the following foods: cauliflower, lettuce, peas, tomatoes, oysters, grapefruit, watermelon, sweet corn, cabbage, almonds, cherries, herring, milk, eggs and liver. Supplements. Look out for biotin and take as part of a B complex with food. It works well with other B vitamins as well as magnesium and manganese.